EV charging solutions by Innovative Power and Energy. We supply EV charging solutions to residential and commercial buildings without the need for any major electrical upgrades or levy fees. The products we develop are plug-and-play models. The G.O.A.T product line connects to each unit's existing power supply and shares the load between each individual existing 30-amp dryer and 40-amp range. Installing doesn't require new panels to be pulled. All we do is connect your existing power that works to the G.O.A.T product of your choice and mount it to your garage wall. That's it. Now you're ready to have a fast-charging EV system in your home. No need for power upgrades. Easy to install with our plug-and-play system. This means no permits are needed. Depending on your power source and needs, we have different models to choose from. We have the Distribution Manager, Dryer Buddy, AC Buddy, 2-in-1 load share with built-in charger, and other upgrades like our portable fast charger and wall-mounted charger with app. We even do custom-designed units to fit the aesthetics of your business or home. The Distribution Manager works by connecting to any existing 240-volt breaker up to 60 amps. The Distribution Manager has two output options. One is the priority appliance, for example your stove, and then output 2 is the auxiliary appliance, for example EV charger, AOS e-unit or hot tub. The power load will be shared between the two. The Distribution Manager will automatically choose the priority appliance each time it's in use, while allowing enough amperage through to keep the two appliance display powered. How the dryer or AC Buddy works is similar to the Distribution Manager. It's used to share the power load between your 15, 20, or 30 amp appliances and your EV charger. You can charge your EV, run your hoist, hot tub, etc. directly from your pre-existing 240-volt plug that supplies your dryer or AC. Why go with the greatest of all-time products, other than not needing power upgrades for our AC to install with our plug-and-play system? If you're in a strata, no forced levies to the strata members. Those who want to install it can pay for their own units. We are locally manufactured in Canada with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. We're helping Canada go green by 2030 as per the Greening Government Strategy of Canada initiative. To order or get more information, please email us